Hello friends, I'm Oindrila from Moorpunk Design. I hope everybody is doing great. For the last few days, I was extremely dazed because of this, the inaugural pressure which we had for this studio, which is a very happy thing. But finally, it's, when the pressure adds on to at the very neck, I mean, at the moment, last moment, then it becomes too much to handle. But now I think the studio has been done with God's blessings and with love of all of you. And this is the Craft Adda. I have named this place as Craft Adda, where the Adda means a collection, a collective of, mindful, meaningful, and mindful people where we can talk about craft, we can conceptualize about craft, we can deal with a lot of creativity in hand painting, handcrafts, and all varieties of the avenues in artistic realm. So today I am going to. So please, this is at D for Delhi, 623 Chittaranjan Park Terrace, and it's in South Delhi. So, and the timings are from 12 to 7 from Monday to Saturday. Sunday we are closed. And my number is, everybody knows, I guess, by now, 98153846. Now, quickly, I start with one of the very sought after series. There are 6 7 saris in that, and those are cut work designs. And many times, umpteen amount of times, the queries have come which I had shown the last season. So now recently they have been redone, redone, and so I'm going to showcase. So the first one is this. These are all done in Dhania Khali sarees. Beautiful, nice Dhania Khali sarees. Yeah. So this is like, it's a beige color. It's a beige color, and see, these are all these, the back lace ones. The back lace ones. So it's basically transparent. It's basically transparent. So that's the cut work. That is the cut work. So the whole sari has this kind of a getup. The whole sari has this kind of a getup. And beautiful work and beautiful handwork, basically. So these are all, first, these are, the paintings are done, the design has been sketched, and then, so there are, and then it is being, carried out, laid out on the fabric, and then, it's time consuming. It's pretty time consuming. So this is the, and nice little starched cottons, nice little starched cottons. So that's the whole look. That's the complete look of the sari. So these kind of, these will also fall. These, the bunches will fall on the pleats. And so that's the complete look of the sari. Very pretty. See how pretty and how neatly it's done. So there is this temple border, as usually we get it in Dhania Khali. So so these kind of, so that's the fabric and that's the sari. So it's like this. Basically, I have given a short palla. So when you make the palla proper, so this bunch will come here. This bunch will come here. Sari number 1. Sari number 2 is a beautiful, I would say this is mint green, kind of mint green shade. It's a mint green shade with this kind of magenta. It's a pink, it's a pinkish magenta, and so this is the whole cutwork design. That's the whole cutwork design on the palla. So that is the sari. That's the palla. How beautiful, see, extremely beautiful palla. Extremely beautiful. See how beautifully the work has been done. So there is one bunch over here in the, in front you're getting kind of a bunch like this. And then on the pleats, see, the pleats are like this. So there are one single rows, and there are bunches. One single rows and the bunches. So that's the whole concept. So these sarees come without blouse. You can wear a plain blouse of the border color. It will look glamorous. Nothing you need to do to the blouse. You can only just see. That's the palla. So this is sari number 2. Lovely combination. Lovely combination. Please take a screenshot and do write to me. The third one, this is little soft cotton, again in Dhania Khali, and there are hand woven buttas also. There are hand woven buttas also like this. So it's basically, these are all handloom saris. So this has woven buttas as well as, so see the butterflies. Can you see the butterflies? Such beautiful, pretty color. It's a peach color. It's a lovely peach shade of the sari. It's an extremely summer, beautiful. I mean, it's, you know, it's a summer beauty. So the, you know, the butterflies would come like this, and the lower border also the butterflies are like this. So the butterflies, this is on the pleats. So the everywhere you see the butterflies flying around, and it's a very, very, see, that's the pleats. So the pleats, you see double line butterflies like this, and see every color of the butterfly is different. This is in, this background is like peach kind of a background. This is all the organza. These are the organza fabric which has been done at the back given. So all are multicolored. As we see the butterflies, this is in gray color. This is in gray color. And this is in blue color. This is in blue color. So there are multiple colors being given. So that's the palla. It's very, very, you know, it's very nice for a young girl also, and as well as people like us. So that's sari number 3. And sari number 4 is a very traditional off-white and maroon combination. Sari number 4 is a very traditional off-white and maroon combination with a majestic border all over. This is a majestic border all over. So that's the border. That's the border combination. There are you know, flowers like this. So the organza fabric is in gray color. The organza fabric is in gray color. So that's the whole palla. So that's the whole body. And so basically, and also these embroidered buttas also will you know, adds on to the beauty. These embroidered buttas also add on to the beauty. So this is the whole sari. So you have see this goes like this, and so the lower border will have the lower border and the upper border will have this cutwork running through. Very smart, extremely beautiful, and a very, very elegant combination. Then this is another extremely beautiful color. See, it's a kind of a, it's a touch of blue, mint blue, I guess. This is a mint blue color, if I actually say pastel blue or a mint blue color. So it has a touch of mint with this. So again, the border and the combination is black. So the back organza had been given black color. The back cutwork organza at the back has been given black color. So that's the whole sari. That is the whole border. The border of the sari is like this, and the buttas in front, the buttas will have like this, and then the pleats. So that's the whole concept. That is the whole concept. Extremely beautiful, and the color is very uncommon and very smart. It's a pastel shade. The color is very uncommon and very smart. So that's the combination. Quickly book whoever wants to take, whichever, you know, the choice is, because these sarees are too much time consuming to make and just moves out like a jiffy. So another, the final one is in magenta and beige kind of a shade. So this has a floral, layout on the palla. This is the palla. So this is the palla, magenta and beige. Lovely color, lovely color. So that's the palla. And the body is like this. The body is like this. So this veil comes over here, and there are buttas again, small buttas all over, and this you know, these bunches will come in your pleats. These bunches will come in your pleats, these bunches. So when you make the pleats, so it would look like this. It will look like this. Yeah, this side. So that's the complete look of the sari. You wear these saris with a plain simple with sleeves blouse or a sleeveless blouse of this color, and that's it. And maybe a little bit of earpiece, that's all. Nothing else is needed, and they are totally ornamental, and they will look very, very beautiful. So these are 6 saris, I guess I have shown. So I'll just finish with this, and quickly let me know your choice, and we'll work out accordingly. Thank you so much.